Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the best OBS streaming in 2024. Let's start by opening the settings and select Stream from the side. Connect your account whether it's YouTube or Twitch, then enter your stream key. Then tick the checkbox to ignore streaming service setting recommendations at the bottom, click Yes, then Apply. Next, select the output settings from the side, then set the output mode to advanced, set audio encoder to FFmpeg AAC, set the video encoder to NVIDIA NVENC H.264 if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. For anyone with an AMD graphics card, use AMD HW H.264. Now, if you have neither option, then use X264 software only. Keep Rescale output unchecked. Scroll down a bit to the encoder settings, set rate control to CBR. Next, we have bitrate, which will depend on your upload speed. If your upload speed is above 12 megabits per second, then use 8000. With an upload between 10 and 12 megabits per second, use 6000. With anything lower, use 4000. If you're streaming to YouTube and have an upload speed above 14 megabits per second, we'll use 10,000. Set the keyframe interval to 2. For preset, use P5 slow or P6 slower if you're streaming and gaming on the same PC. If you're just streaming your camera or have a dedicated streaming PC, then use P6 slower or P7 slowest. If you have a low-end PC, then you may need to use medium. Set tuning to high quality. Set multipass mode to 2 passes or quarter resolution. Set profile to high, then uncheck look ahead, and enable psycho visual tuning. Set GPU to 0 and max B frames to 2. Click apply, then next we go to audio options on the side. Set sample rate to 48 kHz and channels to stereo. Select the first desktop audio dropdown and add your headset or whatever you listen to output with, or keep it on default. This is what you'd use to listen to your computer audio with, typically a gaming headset. If you use 2 different audio devices, then select it using the desktop audio 2 menu. This might be a chat output in your headset. Set mic/auxiliary audio to your microphone, then click apply. Next, we go to video options. For our base canvas, you either want to use your screen's resolution or 1920 by 1080, set output scaled resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well. If your output resolution is lower than your base resolution, then the downscale filter option will be available. Set this to Langzos. Make sure FPS is set to common FPS values, then use 60. If you set your bitrate to 4000, then use 30 to get better image quality. Click apply, then go to the hotkeys. Select the filter bar at the top and search for streaming. Select the start streaming box and set a keyboard shortcut to start your stream. When this button combination is pressed, you will automatically start streaming. If you use the same hotkey for the stop streaming option, then the hotkey will act as a toggle. You can also set hotkeys to switch to specific scenes in OBS while you stream. Click apply, then next we go to the advanced options. Set the process priority to normal. For the video options, I just used the default settings. Feel free to copy them if yours are different. Next, go to the stream delay options and uncheck the box to disable it. This will give your chat the best experience. Click apply, then click OK. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and check out our other videos here.